Hi guys, we're at Brayford level crossing in Lincolnshire with lost trains. Here goes High Street. Conquer. This crossing has been upgraded. It's got the old barrier boxes in, new barriers, new footbridge, smaller barriers over there, another barrier over there, another barrier here, another barrier here, 4 Yod alarms, new pedestrian signals, 4 keep crossing clear signs, and new wigwags, I think, and new 2 new Yod alarms have just been upgraded into this crossing. So I don't know what the time is now, but the train should be arriving soon. Right, it's just a departing Central. It's just passing High Street. Here it comes. Here it is. We've got 153383. 153383 to 153311 to Nottingham, and I don't think Thank you for watching today's video at Brayford, at New Brayford level crossing. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe to the video. Hang on. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more. I'll see you in the next video.